I ain't tryna be rude, no, I got an attitude. They be tryna fuck with me and they can't have my dude. But they know that I get crazy, yelling shit off on the loose. But when he hoes around, I just try to keep my cool. And you know you can't fuck with me. Yeah, I'm in the city, know I'm big Stacy. Fucking with a nigga, but I keep it low key. Yeah, he talking to you, but he leaving with. What it do, what it do, what it do? It's your girl ATS Stacy. What it do, what it do, what it do? It's your girl ATL Stacy and we're back with another motherfucking video. And bitch, it's my birthday, ho. And Taurus season just started and that's all that fucking matter. But y'all stay tuned. Make sure y'all subscribe. Follow me on Instagram. Like this video, share this video, watch this video. And y'all sit back, relax, and enjoy the vibes. Okay, so what to do? We at the bowling alley. This is the first stop of the night. I don't know if I'm gonna make it to the second stop, but bitch, we here. And these my friends. And then my other friend.
Yeah, bitch.
Let's see what she talk about.
Yeah. That's the whole good about bitch.
Alright, so I'm back and everybody finally here. I should have did a TikTok like I told everybody to be here at 8:30. And what time everybody got here, even though I was late. But yeah. Everybody say hey. It's my motherfucking birthday. Y'all already know what's going on. It's a real yeah. Okay, so what to do? I'm drunk as a motherfucker. I'm supposed to be going to OPM, but I don't think I'm gonna move. And then my phone is dead. Like, it's giving not. Just got to bed, Stacey. But thank y'all for tuning in. It's the first day. We're not even done. We really are, but we really not. I still got smoke and all that stuff. But I'll see y'all tomorrow. I love y'all. Trying to be both though. That will be lovers and friends. 'Cause for you I cross the ocean.